going to teach again computer network, and in computer network, as I have already discussed few points, so today few more points I am going to discuss. For the topic I have made computer network. In computer network I have made few details, like these things I have already discussed, but today also I want to discuss. It's kind of a revision class. You can consider it as a revision class. So first of all, as I have already told you, what is a computer network? So a computer network is a set of devices connected through links. And in a computer network, there are few things we need to establish, like what are a node or workstations or clients, and then what are server, what are the components of computer network. So a node can be, we'll get here the definition of a node, that we need a node to connect a computer network, and nodes are nothing but computers or workstations. So what is a node? A node can be computer or printer or any other device capable of sending or receiving the data. So when any device sends or receives any information, then it is called a node. The links connecting the nodes are known as communication channel. We have few types of computer network. To understand computer network, we need to understand what are the types of computer network and where do we use different kind of computer networks, and which devices are used inside different computer network. So we have LAN, MAN and WAN, local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network. After that, media of communication means we need some media through which we will communicate with each other. Let me take a pointer. So media of communication will be sender. Sender means the node which initiate the network communication by sending the information. So when we will get the term communication, as it is also included in information technology chapter of class 9th and 10th of CBSE. So communication means there is a sender who used to send the information, there is a receiver who used to receive the information, and there are some medium of communication. Medium of communication, in case of general communication in English, it is called languages. In computer network, these are called devices. Like in case of wired communication, those will be cabled. In case of wireless, those will be Wi-Fi or radio waves or any other waves. So media of communication will be sender, receiver and media of communication. Sender is the node who initiate the network communication, and receiver is the node who receives the information after processing the data. And media of communication, these are the devices and cables needed to maintain proper communication. And whatever cables you are using, those needs to be correct. Means you should not use any older cable. The cable should be in correct condition. You can see this is a diagram of a network where all the computers are connected with each other. You can see these all are nodes. 1, 2, 3. We can say as N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6, and this central will be the centralized server. That is the definition of server. That server is the centralized computer which have high storage and high processor capability. Now, through the above diagram, we can understand the concept of computer network, as multiple computers are connected with each other through a communication media. Assessment means there are some questions. After completion of these things, you should know what is a computer network. You should know, because I have told you about types of computer network and what are computer network. So there are some things you need to understand, means terms of computer network, like what is a server and what are workstation and what are network interface card. So a server is a centralized computer. It remains in the center, which has a large storage and which provide information or data to different nodes. Workstation refers to the computer connected to the network. All the other computers except the server is the workstation. Network interface unit. It is a device attached to each node and is connected to a server. It is a device which is attached to each node and it is connected to server. A unique physical address is given to each NIO. So these are the cables. This is Ethernet cable and this is coaxial cable. You have seen such type of cable: blue and blue white, brown and brown white, green and green white, orange and orange white. So different type of cable. Now we have guided media. In guided media, we have communication through guided media takes place with the help of physical media. Okay, and guided means wired. Guided means wired. Okay, guided means wired. And types of guided media, there will be Ethernet cable, there will be coaxial cable, and there will be optical fiber cable. There will be three types of cable. Unguided media means communication through non-physical identity, means there will be no use of cable. These are with the help of some waves like radio waves, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Microwave, where there will be mobile and cellular communication. Infrared, where there will be TV and remote control sensors. So types of cables. Now we will study about how many types of cables are there and what are their works. So first, in Ethernet cable is of two types: straight through Ethernet cable, straight through. It is used to connect the computer to a hub, to a switch or to a router. Means straight through Ethernet cable we can connect, but we need some communication device like hub, switch and router. Ethernet cross over cable, these cables are crossed with each other. It is used to connect communication device without switch or router. Here we don't need any switch or router. The connection inside these are crossed, like first will be connected to third and the second will be connected to sixth only. Now coaxial cable. It acts as a efficient transmission media. It consists of single line of conductors surrounded by insulation layer and conductive shield. Third one is fiber optic cable or optical fiber cable. It provides more capacity and provide higher speed of data. One cable of such type can support 30,000 telephone lines simultaneously. So there are difference between different kind of cable. All the cables are different with each other. Now there are some questions you should know after knowing all these, like what do you mean by different communication device? List the different communication devices. What is the difference between coaxial and fiber optic cable? Now wireless media or unguided media. First one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth, all of you know that it is a short range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile device over short distance using radio waves. So you can get a question that in Bluetooth which kind of waves are there through which we can transfer information. So the answer will be radio waves. Now Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi stands for, and the spelling of Wi-Fi here is wrong. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is based on the IEEE 802.11 family. There are some standard like ISO, IEEE. of standard and is primarily used in local area network. Where do we use Wi-Fi? Local area network, designed to provide inbuilt broadband coverage. Now, what is infrared? Computers or other device can transfer data with the help of infrared. Now, types of network: local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. What is a local area network? It is a network which is used to maintain communication in small geographical area. Characteristics of a local area network: in LAN, communication takes place at the rate of 100 to 1000 Mbps. 100 to 1000 Mbps. There is no traffic. Now, what is metropolitan area network? A network in which computers are connected in a large geographical area. Large geographical area is MAN. Media used in MAN are guided. In guided, there will be Ethernet cable. In unguided, there will be microwave cable and satellite. Now, there is a term called network topology in computer network. What is this network topology? It refers to the physical layout of connection between different workstation, nodes or server. There are 6 types of network topology: linear, bus, star, ring, tree and mesh topology. So, linear topology. In this kind of topology, nodes are connected with each other except the last node. The last node will not be connected to every node. Bus topology. In this type of network, each node is connected to single communication line. It is called a bus. In bus topology, there will be a device called bus through which all the other computers will be connected with each other. In star topology, it doesn't mean that in bus topology we are using bus, then it doesn't mean that in star topology we will use a star. We will use a different device here. In this topology, computers or devices are not directly connected with each other but with a centralized network component called hub. In star topology, we are using hub, whereas in bus topology, we are using bus. In ring topology, computers are placed in a circle of cable without any terminating end. There is no terminating end, since there is no disconnected end. Now, what is tree topology? In tree topology, combines the characteristics of linear, bus and star topology. What is mesh topology? In mesh topology, each node has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other node. Means each node, for example, this is a node, this is a node, this is a node. So this will be connected to this also, and this will be connected to this also. This will be connected to this, and this means all will be connected to each other. That is mesh topology. Now, what are the advantage of topology? We can use topology with the help. Topology is used to increase the speed of the network. So, email, e-commerce, e-governance, e-banking, e-reservation, e-learning, e-wallet. These are kind of assessment homework you have to do. So, these are the kind of advantage we can get with the help of topology. So now this is the end of the show, and I hope you will understand many things in computer network. Thank you very much, and please go through my channel. Please like my channel. Thank you.